So we're having one of those Christmas Eves. Nimway, bless her, woke up at about, I'd say, 8ish this morning, vomiting. Got a roaring temperature, body aches all over. She's just not well at all. We were meant to be going to my auntie's tomorrow for a big, massive family Christmas meal, but we've had to pull out of that. It's not wise going where she's like this. I wouldn't want to pass it to anyone else. So it looks like we're having a little Christmas here with Nimway tomorrow. The elves normally bring Christmas Eve boxes, but this year they just laid it all out on the table. I think even the elves are on a bit of a budget this year, guys. They set up an explorer's lava for them.
I'm slapping it. Oh, Christmas pajamas.
Are your Christmas Eve pyjamas for tonight? Wow.
It looks like there's one each.
Christmas.
Cozy crew.
What did the pants say?
That is adorable, isn't it?
Such a cute mug. And you can screw it. Wait, is it a mug?
Yeah?
Can you drink from it?
Yeah?
How do you open it?
You want to use it for Santa?
Actually, nah. It's for me.
He's gifted it to you for you, hasn't he? This is off your Christmas Eve box.
Red and white, it's super epic.
It's really pretty, isn't
I
it?
love it. It's Santa's colours.
It is. Wow. So this one's Anthony's one. So let's see what his is like. Oh, green. Oh, his is a Christmas tree.
So cute.
It is, isn't it?
But I like my Santa mug more. It's better.
I've said it to my mum for years, and I thought it was worth saying it to you guys too. So that's your wandy bit, isn't it? Your brush. I keep calling it a wand.
It's a paintbrush.
Right. Can you open it?
No.
Be careful. You may need to twist something. I don't know.
No.
I haven't looked at it yet.
Oh, done it.
Be careful. Well done.
So
the bath bomb will go inside there, won't it?
And now I'm gonna get my bath gum. Gum. And my bath bomb.
Oh, they're very pretty colours.
I'm gonna get this one.
Very pretty
How do I
colours.
open this? Thanks, Mum.
Like that.
So we can like have unlimited bath bombs for it.
You have to take out the plastic
Yeah,
first.
I know. So
You're
this
just
is
testing it.
so this is how it fits.
Clever, isn't it? And then you're going to paint your water, aren't you?
So we can. I'm gonna
Because
do.
we're running your bath at the minute.
So I'm gonna open.
You
the
open it?
bath bomb.
Okay.
It's gonna be so satisfying. There's the ASMR. It's ASMR.
Okay, just ASMR.
I see it all on YouTube Shorts. They do like ASMR on their makeup.
Do they?
Because like they use those like TMs that makes.
You need the bath. Your nails are grubby. And all that. I think you've got Play-Doh with your nails from earlier.
Yes, I do. And I will not admit it. We're going to carefully release it.
Wow. All ready for your bath. It looks awesome. You make me laugh, love.
Oh my gosh, I can actually draw. That's epic.
Look at the colours.
It's not very good.
It is. Because you picked the yellowy one. If you picked one of the dark colours, you'd see it more.
So yeah, guys, yellow didn't go so well.
I think it does.
It's just colouring the bath like a normal bath bomb. Hey, it's mine. I'm gonna do it over here. I think that what you're meant to do is put it in the water for 2 seconds and then take it out and then it drips.
Maybe do it a bit slower. You can move it across the water slower.
Yeah, so guys.
I mean, it's dyed the bath, definitely. It's gone yellow and orange.
This is epic. And all the glitter. Booyah! Oh, it's got too much froth on me.
Right, are you going to get in this bath then? I'm turning the camera off and you can climb in.
No.
We then had a quick game of Harry Potter, Catch the Golden Snitch, and this is a fantastic family game. If you've not played it, you want to give it a go, it is a good laugh. That's one that we actually got last year for Christmas, and here we are in our Christmas PJs. And obviously it's only the three of us because Nim's not well, so Anthony's gone to my mum's, and I am a bit, missing them. I've been begging for photos, haven't been at PJs, but I'm waiting for it to come through yet. We laid down our oat for the reindeer and our keys hanging up for Santa. Then Nim poured the milk herself. She also made these cookies herself as well with her dad earlier while I was dyeing my roots. And she did a fantastic job. They taste really nice, I have to say. Well done, Nim. And she did allow us to taste one each, and then she had a Christmas bed and just miraculously appear on a bed by the elves. Really good at them, and that made me laugh. What's cracking? Nothing. And then this is actually one of my favourite books that I read to her every year, and it's one where you shine the light through and it projects the
the night
image
before
on the
Christmas,
wall
when
behind.
all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas would soon be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced through their heads. And Mama in her kerchief, and I in my cap, had just settled down for a long winter's nap. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, to open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave a lustre of midday to objects below. When what to my wondering eyes did appear but a miniature sleigh and 8 tiny reindeer. Wow. With a little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be St. Nick. More rapid than eagles his coursers they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name. Now Dasher, now Dancer, now Prancer and Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen, to the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away, dash away, dash away all.
What about Rudolph?
Drove out of sight. Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night. You going to say Merry Christmas, Nim, to everyone?
Merry Christmas!
And I'm now drinking the Christmas coffee that I made a big batch of as gifts for people. It's going to be a long night, mums and dads. So I needed something to keep me going through the night. And this is my Christmas coffee mix that I made as gifts for people. It's got loads of Christmassy spices in it, which are great for this season as well. Lots of warming herbs in there. But it's also mixed with a bit of cacao too. I decanted it into these bottles as well, these jars, which I've been saving. I do collect coffee jars. If anybody has any going spare, why not? They make great gifts, but I also use them for my dried herb storage too. But these were ones that I had going spare, so I filled it up with the mix and I gave them out as gifts. Obviously, I did sterilise these first. But I call this my Mayan coffee blend. Because of that rich cacao that it's got in there and all the beneficial health qualities of that.